Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on PayPal. To change your profile picture on PayPal is an easy process. For this, you need to open any web browser available on your PC. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.paypal.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of PayPal. Now you need to make sure that you are logged into your PayPal account. After this, you can see small gear icon on the top. Click on the small gear icon. With this, it will take you to settings. Now here you'll be able to see your profile. On the left side, you'll be able to see your profile picture as well. You can see small camera icon under your profile picture. Click on the small camera icon. After this, now here you'll be provided with two options. Whether you can choose a new photo from your device or you can also remove your current photo. To change your photo, you need to click on choose a new photo option. After this, you will be able to see a small pop-up of your gallery on your device. You can choose your picture, then click on the picture. After this, here you can see use this photo option. Click on use this photo option. Now, your profile picture will be changed. Here you can see my profile picture of my PayPal account has been changed. This is how we can change profile picture on PayPal. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.